Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a food item. I generally don't, but I so badly wanted you guys to see. We are talking about Samyang Buldak Noodles. Let's see how that goes. So here I'm going to be talking about the entire procedure of making these noodles, and before I begin, these noodles retail for 125 rupees that I got from my local stores. The noodles are very thick, and this is a flake sachet which has got some chicken flakes, and this is a sauce which smells very disgusting. I'm not sure how that is. So let's hope for the best and start making these noodles. First of all, we see that the water is boiling, and in hot water put the flakes. So as you can see, these are sort of chicken flakes and probably veggies. I'm not very sure what that is, but all I can see mostly is chicken flakes. And after putting these flakes, I put the noodles in it to boil for say 8 to 10 minutes. That's what the packet says, to boil them for 8 to 10 minutes and then just add sauce or something like that. So before we proceed more, I'll just allow this some time to, I'll allow it some time for the noodle to boil properly. We can see now that the noodle seems cooked and boiled and ready, sort of. Now we are going to stir this a little and put it in a strainer to strain all of the water except 8 to 10 spoons of water, which we would need to eat a ramen. It should not be completely dry. So I've just saved about 8 spoons of water in the pan, and I have strained all of the rest. Now, as the process says on the packet, I'm going to add sauce in this one. This is how the packet of the sauce looks like. It's written in a different foreign language which we would not understand, of course. It's a black sauce, sort of, very black in color. And here I add it in the ramen. In the packet it says to stir the sauce nicely with the ramen, and then after 30 seconds switch off the gas and it's ready to eat. So I just put the sauce and I stirred it for about 30 seconds to a minute, and I put it on the plate to eat. So I haven't filmed that part, but I'm going to say this smells very horrible, very horrible. I mean, you'll leave your house if you get that smell, and it tasted very bad. I give it 1 on 5. So you guys can give this a shot if you want, but I would never buy this again. So that was all for my review on Buldak Ramen. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll see you soon in my next video. Makeup videos for sure. Bye bye.